Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a September BOXYCHARM Base Box unboxing and review. So these are going to be BOXYCHARM September spoilers for those of you who haven't received your box yet. Real quick before I get started, I wanted to let you guys know I still do have the 2-month rhinoplasty update for you guys. It's coming. I've already filmed it. I just haven't gotten a chance to edit it. So everything's still on track for accuracy for where I was at 2 months. Now we're almost at 3 months. So I guess you guys are kind of getting like more of a sneak peek for that video, because I still need to film that. I think it'll be exactly 3 months tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Anyway, let's get into the video. I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end, just for those of you who care. The first product that I have here is for puffy eyes. This is the Glow on 5th by Puffy Eyes Cooling Eye Balm. It has a very subtle calming scent, but nothing overpowering. It just feels like a really light gel. It is sinking into the skin, which is nice, so it's not heavy at all. It's infused with caffeine, shea butter, and berry extract. It says to swipe this eye balm on for an instant refresher and major wake-up call. It's formulated for all skin types to leave your under eye feeling hydrated, glowing, and cool. It can also help reduce the appearance of bags and dark circles. This is $24, which I think is a great price point for the amount that you get, and you really only need to use about a pea-size amount. I really like this formula. Like I said, it's really light. It feels like it did something, but the true test is whether it's gonna last or not. So I'm gonna finish up my makeup off camera and then I'll come back. I think the other products that I have here, yeah, they require me to have my actual base foundation done. So I'll be back. All right, I am back and we're gonna go in with a liquid highlighter. This is the Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow by Ciante London. So this is a very glossy formula and it's almost like a rose shade. How do I apply this? Let me see. This glow in a tube gives cheeks a soft champagne-y shine and a gloss-like dewy finish thanks to plumping hyaluronic acid and yuzu extract, brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, and nourishing vitamin E. Okay, so it's supposed to look glossy. I'm so nervous putting this on top of powder. It didn't mess up my makeup at all, and I do like a little bit of a glow. It just looks very natural. It doesn't say to set it with powder. I wonder if powder would ruin the gloss. I'm just gonna leave it without setting it and see if it sets itself and absorbs a little bit. I mean, my eyes do get really dry around here. You get like that eye crinkle. So maybe something a little bit glossy and dewy around there would be beneficial. I don't know. This is $24, which I think is a great price point if you like dewy highlighters. You really only needed like the slightest bit on there, so it'll last you forever. I'm gonna hold off on my thoughts until later. This isn't typically a product that I would go for, but it does look nice. Next up, we have the Signature Palette Symphony by Ofra. This is literally perfect for fall. Ofra has a really good track record, so I already know that these eyeshadows are gonna be amazing. I'm just dipping into that mauve shade and I'm going right into the crease of my eye. I like that you can really build up the shade. It's not super intense right off the bat, which is great because you can't really take eyeshadow away. You can always build it up. I'm gonna go in with that dark brown and add this to the outer corners of my eyes. The shade is also very buildable, so it's definitely a very cohesive palette. I'm also not noticing any fallout, which is always nice. Now, for eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with the center shade here, which is Blissful. And I wanna use this one because we do have an eyeliner and mascara, so I wanna keep the eye overall a little bit lighter and not go super smoky with these other shades, just so that you can see how the other products work out. But look at the shade, ugh. So I'm focusing this on the inner corners of my eyes, the inner half, but then I'm just gradiating it into the crease and a little bit of the outer corner here. This is just all around a great palette because you can use this as a highlight shade. So if you like these shades in here, which I feel like these are tones that everybody could kind of get on board with, it's just such a great traveling palette, so you don't need to bring a separate highlighter. So I just added a little bit more to the outer corners. I also put a like a cranberry eyeliner in my waterline. And then we're moving on to, I think this is just a black eyeliner. This is by TYNT. This is called the TYNT Phantom Liner. Dun dun dun. So it says to shake well before you use it. I don't typically like this style eyeliner. I like more of like a marker. Right, this is the eyeliner done. The thing that I don't like about liquid liners is that they get a little bunchy, like they're almost drying, if that's the right word to describe it. They kind of get dried and crinkly a little bit. I don't know, like the line looks all out of whack because when it dries, that's just what happens, at least on my eyelids. But let me know if you guys do like these liquid liners and if there's like a certain technique that works well for you. But it's $18, which I think is a pretty good price point for an eyeliner, especially if you're somebody who likes a liquid liner. And next up, I'm really excited to try this. I actually haven't tried this mascara yet. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Or you know what? That's a lie. I have tried this. I used to really like this mascara. I was thinking of, I haven't tried the dupe for this, which is the Maybelline one. If you guys have tried that one, let me know. It literally looks exactly like this tube, but let me show you guys. Also, another thing about liquid liners is they fall into your eyelashes. So then when you go to put mascara on, it's like super clumpy. Oh, I just hate liquid liners. So I feel like you're not gonna be able to tell the quality of this mascara, but just know that it's really good. I mean, you can see from the bottom lashes at least. It's a very lengthening mascara. I'm gonna pop on some lashes real quick and then I'll be back for final thoughts. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I put on a red lip since fall's coming up, and I just really went with this eye look. I did wind up patting that highlighter with a little bit of powder just to set it. I was just scared that it was like I was just gonna touch it and then my makeup would all rub off. But yeah, you can still see the shine. It looks good. I don't know if it's a product that I would actually reach for. I'm just not into a glossy highlight. But I did really like this cooling eye balm for the under eye puffiness. I think it did last. I mean, I think my under eyes look really good. And it just kept that moisture in there so I don't have like the crinkly under eyes. The Better Than Sex mascara, if you guys have not tried this, this is such a great mascara, especially for those no makeup days where you don't want to wear false lashes or anything and just want to amp up the eyelashes on their own. It is a luxury mascara, so it's $28, which is a little pricey, but if you want a dupe for it, like I said, the Maybelline mascara, I'm not sure exactly what it is. If you just search Maybelline dupe for Better Than Sex mascara, it might be, is it called Better Than Sex? Okay, so I'm thinking of the L'Oreal Paris mascara. It's called Lash Paradise mascara, and that's a dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara. And that one is $10. So this is what it looks like, just in case you guys were wondering. I'm pretty sure that's the mascara that I'm thinking of. You guys already know my thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. I just think that these are, I can't say classic shades, I guess, but they're very, very wearable. I love how they have the highlighter shade in the center, and this is a perfect palette for fall. I hated the liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna be throwing this out right now, but I think that's it for the products, right? Yeah, I think that's everything. I was talking to you guys in the beginning of the video about my nose Q&A. That was the 2 months post-op video where I show you guys how the progress looks within 2 months after my rhinoplasty. I just need to sit down and edit it. It was pretty long because I had a lot of questions. That's just why I haven't been able to get to it yet. But I'll film my 3-month video, I'll edit that, and then I'll obviously have the 2-month video up before the 3 months. But I just wanted to let you know that it is within like an accurate time period, because I did already film those within that time. I didn't want you to think if it came out like a month from now that everything's all out of order and it's not gonna be accurate. But this is how my nose looks 3 months post-op. I see a huge difference from when I posted the 1 month video, the 1 month post-op. It does kind of fluctuate. Sometimes I feel like it still looks like really chunky here. It is still swollen, especially the tip of my nose is still numb. And I have the stitches in the sides of my nose here still on this side. This side, they dissolved already, so I don't know why they're still in on this one. But yeah, I can feel them in here. But yeah, thank you guys for being patient with me. I've been trying to post a lot of shorts just to kind of make up for my lack of actually posting like fuller length videos. So hopefully you guys are liking that. And I know that you've been wanting more of like my older looks, which is like kind of like the special effects and like cartoon looks, just makeup transformations in general. And then for Halloween, I'll post a couple of the makeup tutorials, like actual video form, like longer length, probably about 10 minutes, just in case there are any looks that you guys wanted to actually do for Halloween. I updated my Corpse Bride makeup, so I'll probably do a tutorial on that one if you want to see that. But yeah, let me know if there are any Halloween tutorials that you guys want to see, and I'll have those up for you. Let me know what your favorite product was that I showed you guys today, and if you already got your September BOXYCHARM box, let me know what you got. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. I'm actually really liking this red lip. I'm not a typical like red lip person. I think mainly because I'm just scared that I have something in my teeth constantly. But look how white and your teeth look.